Today I'm going to show you how to fix door sagging. As you can see on the left, the door is sagging below the doorstop, but on the right it looks normal. Let's see if we can correct this. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the trim on the sagging side of the door and on the top as well. You will need to do the same on the other side of the door. To loosen the jamb, we will need to remove all the nails and screws that we see. This will loosen the jamb from the wall. To remove those hard to reach nails, I use a Craftsman oscillating tool. They are not a sponsor yet, but they work really well. Next, we're going to remove a little bit of the jamb on the side of the sagging door. Make sure you protect the flooring that you have. Next, measure the distance that the door is sagging and make the mark on the bottom of the jamb. In my case, my door was sagging about 3/8, so I made a mark and made a straight line across the jamb. Grab that handy dandy little oscillating tool again and start cutting along the line. Use a flat bar to pull the jamb down to the floor. Then run a few screws into the jamb to hold it in place. Now you are ready to reinstall the trim.